Hi folks, I'm Ara. Welcome to Little Garden Foods presentation. Today we're gonna have some fun with bell peppers. So now we're going to use our own product, our garlic and oregano dressing. The garlic and the oregano complements well with the peppers. A good generous portion. Since we don't have too much salt in our dressings, we need to add some salt and some black pepper on top of our peppers. Now what we do, we put this in the oven at 450 degrees for approximately half an hour, stirring occasionally. And then we can continue afterwards. Now our pepper mixture should be ready. I'm going to take it out of the oven. Now the peppers are cooked. They're not overcooked. There's still some body to it. You don't want them to be overcooked. And this is a good texture. If you want it to be cooked more in the recipes, you'll have the chance to either cook it in the pan or on the dish that you're preparing. Something else we can do with the peppers is to marinate them. And this will keep in the fridge quite some time, maybe 2-3 months, as long as you add some dressing to it. The vinegar will keep it. Add the juice, top it up with some dressing. This will make nice salads and appetizers. Another idea for our marinated bell peppers is to make a little salad. This time I'm going to use some asparagus. You don't need to put any dressing as long as you use the marinated bell peppers, because there's already enough marination with the peppers. Thanks for watching. I hope we were able to demonstrate the potential of our dressings with those easy recipes. And try them, give us your feedback, and please subscribe.